Maruti Suzuki had a good run with its MPV and hatchback lineup, but competition vastly dominates the SUV segment. Maruti Suzuki wants to turn the tables and take lead in the SUV market by launching a heavily updated Brezza. Ahead of launch, the new Gen Brezza, finished in red with black roof, was recently spied in Gurgaon during official TVC shoot. The Brezza 2022 will receive a new front fascia and redesigned tail section. In front, the most significant change seems to be the new grille, with horizontal chrome slats. The arrow-shaped black inserts neatly merge with chrome inserts inside the headlights. Redesigned bumper gets a faux skid plate and squared LED fog lamps on either sides. New headlights look more upmarket, and comes with twin DRL'S which will also double up as turn signals. On the sides, gets new 16-inch dual-tone alloys, and lot of cladding across the length of the car. The piano black finished roof gets shark fin antenna and functional silver roof rails. At the rear, the car looked significantly sleeker and more premium than the outgoing car. The bold Brezza lettering and the sleeker LED tail lamps amplify the looks. The redesigned rear bumper gets vertical reflectors and large rear faux skid plate below. No leaked interior pics this time, but the previous leaks confirmed the floating type touchscreen system, the same unit that comes with the new Baleno. We'll also get the latest connected car features. Maruti Suzuki might equip the much-needed features to the Brezza, like rear AC vents. New Maruti Suzuki Brezza will also be based on the same Global C platform, on which outgoing Brezza and outgoing Urban Cruiser are based, and is expected to get a 5-star safety rating. Current Brezza is the only vehicle in the Maruti Suzuki portfolio that comes with a respectable 4-star crash safety rating by Global NCap, under the Safer Cars for India campaign. Expected to come equipped with up to 6 airbags like Baleno, Hill Hold Assist, ESC and more. Maruti Suzuki will equip upcoming Brezza with the same engine and transmission as newly launched Ertiga. Dual VVT and Dualjet 1.5-liter petrol engine with smart hybrid technology will make 101.65 brake horsepower and 136.8 Nm. Mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. The car will also come with a CNG variant to take on the rivals efficiently. The pricing and the launch details are not yet made official, but we can expect the new Brezza to be launched sometime in June. A minor price hike expected, owing to all the new features to this facelift. Thanks for watching.